a little bunny, Saturday night, bunny fever, munching away in my front yard. There's usually like 6 of them, but there's just a solo little guy here. And he's happy as can be. Hope everyone's having a beautiful Saturday night. I'm decorating my fall decoration table in my dining room, and happy. I'll do a separate video about that when the house is decorated for fall. Work in progress. There he goes. Oh, there's another one. Look, can you see the other bunny? Sort of right there under the chair. There. It's just hard to. There's the 2 of them. I love bunnies. This is called the Conejo Valley where I live because of so many rabbits. They make me happy. There. Oh my gosh. They help mow the lawn. Have a good night, everyone. They're just too cute, aren't they? Bye.